So down the stretch we come for the 2016 NFL season, with Week 14 beginning tonight in Kansas City, where it is frigid. But this matchup can best be described as red hot, as Alex Smith leads the Kansas City Chiefs against Derek Carr and their division rivals, the Oakland Raiders, on Thursday Night Football.
Let's go, baby. Stay together, dominate. These are the moments we live for right here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Game time, baby. Game time.
Kansas City week. Thursday Night Football, baby. Nice and warm.
Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Motivate me. Hey, man, you gotta love this, man. Motivate me. You gotta love this. They got on our fancy clothes. And guess what? That don't mean nothing, man. We coming out here to win this game today. By any means. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Bring it up. Don't look at me crazy. It's time to go, baby. Win on 3. Win on me. 1, 2, 3.
And King with a high, not particularly deep boot that is dropped at the 38-yard line. So Hill muffs it and turns it over. And Smith going deep downfield and open and making the catch for the touchdown. Tyreek Hill.
Let's go. Let's go.
In the middle of the field. And Hill is off to the races, and he is going to go all the way. First and goal from the 1, and it is Murray trying to slug his way into the end zone. So Murray gets his touchdown.
There we go. How to show, boys. We got a hell of a time.
And Alex hangs out. Throws over the middle. It's picked off at the 32-yard line.
Yeah! Make our plays win the game. Let's go to work now. Let's go to work.
And look out from behind. The ball comes loose. It's taken by Khalil Mack.
That's how we do it. Way to go, bro.
Well, here's the play of the night right now for Oakland. 4-man rush. Down the left sideline. Batted away. Incomplete.
Congratulations to Andy Reid and the Chiefs. That was a monster win.
Wouldn't be surprised if we see this team again. And depending on how we do and they do over the next 3 weeks, that'll determine whether it's at their place or ours, because they're now a half game up on us.